everyone! Today we are unboxing and testing out the CAFELFFE 5-in-1 hot and cold capsule coffee machine model MK606. Let's see what makes this coffee maker stand out. Here is the CAFELFFE 5-in-1 capsule coffee maker. As you can see, it came super well packaged and arrived in perfect shape. No damage at all during shipping. Alright, before using it for the first time, you gotta push some water through the pipe into the machine. It's just to help it start pumping water the right way. And then we fill the water tank with water. And here is, for me, the best feature of this coffee maker. It is compatible with various types of coffee capsules as well as ground coffee. This time I'm making a coffee using a Dolce Gusto capsule. Here I'm using the big cup stand because I'm adding milk later. Then I press the start button and all the lights will blink for about 45 seconds. Once they stop blinking, we select the coffee volume and press the brew button. To finish and remove the capsule, just lift the top lever and take out the capsule holder. I also wanted to try using ground coffee. For that, we are using this capsule holder and pressing the coffee with the back of the spoon. In this case, I made an espresso. If you want to make cold drinks, just press and hold the brew button for 2 seconds until the lights turn blue.